I'm gonna start the timer now.
Sure. So, for the sake of the conversation,
Conversation.
let me introduce Sam, who's a blockchain developer and is a building a app to manage invoices for freelancers using Request Network. Um, just- so as a developer, he faced several challenges. Even though Request Network provided a well-documented and detailed SDK for integrating their APIs, it is still time-consuming for him, and it requires a lot of efforts for him. And also, if Sam wants to create a conversational AI agent for his application for the users to use, is still a different game, and it is still a complex process to build. So Sam is looking for a easy to embed solution for his app, and that's when our agent request agents protocol comes in, and it is a platform where it helps developers like Sam to create a AI-driven agents powered by Request Network for Request Network, and developers can easily customize the agent's behavior with a simple prompt, and I can embed the agent seamlessly into their apps with a single line of code. So this is a very high level introduction about our application. So let's straight away get into the demo. So this is the homepage of our application, where on the left side you can see the detailed instructions of the our instructions on how to create an agent, and on right side you can see the actions for creating an agent. First we'll create the agent name. In this case, I'm going to create an invoice agent, and I'm going to use the same instruction as an example given here for creating an invoice agent, and I'm going to submit it. So once submitted, the developer can get us code snippet, which he can directly integrate in his application, or he can choose to go to our playground, where he can directly uh, write out here as well. For example, here I can create an invoice. I can ask the agent to create an invoice for me, and just typing. So it asks me some details. For example, it asks the receiver account. I'm just giving an EVM address here. And it asks the currency for the invoice payment. I'm mentioning USDT in this example, and I'm mentioning 20 USDT in this case. And it asks the reason for payment. I'm mentioning vendor bill. And here the request pop-up comes automatically for me to sign as a user. So for a while, it'll take for creating the request on chain. And once it is created, we can view it in the request scan as well. Here, this request has been created with the given details. And also then what the developer can do is he can copy this code snippet. And for this example, we have forked invoicing template, and we have integrated this one line of code script, right? This snippet we have integrated here. And we have already deployed a version of it where we have integrated this chat agent widget. So already this is here, and wallet is connected. And here I can, so from the playground, I created an invoice for my account. And here I can ask the agent to show my invoices. So here it will list all the invoices that I have for me. So this is the latest one, which we created for 20 USDT. And from here itself, I can directly pay. So once I click on pay, there will be paying instruction. So we'll get a pop-up for signing this request. So once that is done, it'll take again a couple of seconds for doing that process on chain. And once that is done, we'll get a payment successful message with a call to action to see the details on the Explorer as well.
Okay, Manuel, time is up. One last final statement.
Right. So as a result, any developers can easily integrate an agent and create a customized workflow for any of the application without writing a single line of code. So what makes our protocol unique is there is no backend setup, and currently we have integrated 3 APIs specifically for create payment request, fetch payment request, and pay payment request. So, but our feature plans are to enhance this agent to support uh, various workflows like to integrate all the APIs in the request network, all those things. So easily we can, any developers can seamlessly create whatever thing. And here you can see payment is successful, and you can view it in the
Nice.
Explorer as well. Yeah.
Thank you, Manuel. So I am
Thank
also
you.
joined by Ayman, senior full stack engineer at Request Network, wizard of the blockchain. Do you have any questions? Unmute yourself. Yeah, set by default in Zoom. Sorry.
Okay, yeah, sorry about that. Not many. Good job. It looks great. Is it just one question? Is it specifically connected to Sepolia and only creates requests on Sepolia, or is there a way to tell it where it should create the invoices and such?
Yeah, for the demo purposes, we are just connected to Sepolia, but yeah, it is in development process. Like we can do it for whatever network. We can ask the agent to customize it as well.
Nice. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.